What is up, guys? Nothing but fun here. And today, I just got this John Cena basic thugonomics action figure at Target, and it's really cool. I thought I was gonna get it maybe for like my birthday or something, but it's just really good. It has let's just check into this figure real quick. I just unboxed it downstairs. So yeah, let's see. So right here, it's the shoes that he usually wore, basic thugonomics version, in I think 2018, 2004, I think. I don't know if that's completely right, but I know he started basic thugonomics somewhere in the 2000s. I mean, it has to be in the 2000s. What's the one in the 2000s? Anyway, I don't know what that was about. Anyway, even has this chain and hat, black hat. It kind of looks like Bobby Lashley's hat. Just real quick, just look at his face skin. For some reason, it has that little black mole right there. I don't know why, but still good. Cool little haircut. The 3 with the baseball jacket. I don't know if this is like a baseball jacket. I don't watch lots of baseball. But can you comment down below can you please tell me what that is? And who's your favorite wrestler of all time? Yeah, but anyway, he even has this chain. I got it off. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. But yeah. Little chain is plastic. Small. So don't let, if you have a baby brother or sister, don't make them, pick this up because they could put it in their mouth. It's small enough to, I think it's probably small enough. Now, John Cena. As you can see here, it has life, and this one says world. Put them together, world life. And yeah, cool little head skin, cool little Jackie, and I'm thinking maybe one day I could do a WWE action figure match, because I haven't done that yet. But I actually have some more. Yes, this is not my room. This is actually the blue room. We're all in Indiana where my Nana and Papa live. We're visiting. Oh, wow. This is my other John Cena. Yeah, wait. What if, one day we do it'd be cool if we do a John Cena versus John Cena action figure battle. That'll be awesome. But it's kind of like the same. Let me know, which one do you think looks better? John Cena Green Never Give Up, or John Cena Basic Thugonomics? Yeah. And I also, get out of here, raccoon. Yeet. I have Cesaro representing the Bar, and Sheamus, the Universal Championship. Yeah, the Universal Championship. I have no idea where my Callisto action figure went, but this is his short. The dead man, the Undertaker. Yeah, the Undertaker. And Brock Lesnar. Now, I don't really like Brock Lesnar. But let me know if you do. And where is that Chris Rock's figure? Wait. Oh. Didn't I? Wait. I think I know where he is. I have no idea what that is. Oh, it's the massager. Nope. My backpack. Okay. Well, I can't find it. So, yeah. Wait. Okay, I don't know where it is. But yeah, which one do you think is cooler? John Cena Never Give Up. John Cena, basic Dr. Thugonomics. And here's the back. So let me know down in the comments, which one do you think is cooler? Got a little butt shot. So I know that was probably what are you looking at, Grizz? Grizz, what are you looking at? What are you looking at? What is that guy looking at? Okay, yeah, so which one do you think is cooler? I know that was a short video, but bye guys. See you on the next vlog.